So what's going on, y'all? Let me take this mask off. So man, listen, I got great news, good news, man. So we are about to put our order through, man, for our dream car. So I'm kind of hyped, but pretty much I want to take y'all through the steps on how we do this. So on my way home, I'm going to call him, and y'all gonna hear everything about how we put the process through, the deposit and everything, how everything goes. So first off, when you put in a factory order, you have to send them a build of the car you want. So let's do that real quick. Let's go to the website, build the car out how we want it, and then we'll send it to him real quick. The peanut butter interior, I'm good on the nav. I don't need that. I'll just use my phone. It's got Apple CarPlay anyway. Gotta have Harman Kardon. I'm gonna do the sound. I'm gonna do the sunroof as well. Power convenience group I'm gonna grab, and then the carbon suede interior package. I do want this, but I don't want my seats to be Alcantara too. I want the leather seats. So what I'm gonna do is, y'all gonna see what I'm gonna do with the steering wheel later on, so I can have the Alcantara on my steering wheel too. So, but y'all should already have a glimpse of what it is. But pretty much, once you're done, what you got to do is you want to hit download PDF. I already have mine done, so it'll save to your computer, and then you have to email that to whoever you're dealing with at the dealership, so they can do a bill for you and get the invoice and everything for you. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my email next. I think all I gotta do is send him my build again, because I had to make a change on the brake calipers, and I gotta send him my deposit, I think which is like $3,000. So again, we'll go through that process as soon as he calls me back, and I'll let y'all know.
Once the Charger goes into transit, because once the Charger goes into transit, that's when we can quote lease numbers.
Okay.
But I'll get with her once that happens. The deposit form is going to go straight to your email. Goes off of credit card. It is a secured link.
Okay.
Now, when I mean it's a secured link, I mean it's password protected.
Okay, sounds good. So you're emailing me both those forms for the purchase, and then the deposit, which is $3,000, and then it's with a credit card, right?
Yep.
All right, sounds good. All right, Craig, you have a good rest of your day, man. Thank you.
Hey, thank you too, Trey. I'll talk to you soon.
All right, bye-bye.
All right, goodbye.
All right, y'all, as y'all can see, I'm still sitting in the car. It's a whole new day, but I do want to let y'all know that after I got off the phone with Craig, I did finish paying for the deposit on the vehicle. The order got submitted. I got something called a VON number, which I didn't know about. The VON number is something you get that pretty much confirms that you're a Hellcat. Wow, I just gave away the damn. But anyway, it pretty much gives you a confirmation that your car has been ordered and is gonna start being built. Now I'm gonna be honest with y'all, man. My transaction with Craig was super smooth. Like, I had 1,000,001 questions for him and stuff like that, and he was mad. You know, he was cool, calm. He was patient, answering all the questions, anything I needed to know. I mean, we was working on this deal for about, I would say, 3 weeks, because I just couldn't decide on what vehicle y'all wanted. And y'all know, most of y'all that follow me on Facebook or Instagram, y'all know I was completely confused on what car I wanted, because at one point I wanted the M5 so bad, but because I felt like Hellcat, I feel like a lot of cars were too common, so I was trying to go for something different. But anyway, I ended up finally, like, you know, pulling the trigger with him. So like I said, man, he was super patient, man. Listen, Craig at Tyson Coons Dodge in Virginia, so hit them up. Let them know Trey sent y'all, or anybody from the Hellcat forum sent y'all looking to get a vehicle. I'm gonna put the link for the website down in the description below. They cool, man, and they made, I promise y'all, they made the buying experience super easy. Negotiating with them is really easy. You don't gotta ain't no fussing and fighting back and forth for the emails or text message or on the phone. They real real up front about how much they can do off the vehicle, the best they could do. They're not gonna cheat you. Ain't no unnecessary fees other than the $7.99 processing fee, which is a lot higher than a lot of other dealerships do, but other dealerships hide other fees in too. But all they do is charge a $7.99 processing fee. Everything else is more of a discount than anything. So paying the $800 to receive $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 or $4,000 off the car is worth it. So I will say that if you're looking for a car, listen, please hit up Tyson Coons Dodge in Virginia. They've helped me. I'm pretty sure there's 100 other dealerships that work as well, but from my experience, those have been the best right now. Also, if you're in Rochester, New York, and you're looking for a vehicle like that to order to, hit up hit up Cortez Auto. Samantha Cortez is the one that helped me. She was really helpful as well. But it was just so happened that I had already ordered my car through Craig at Tyson Coons. So I couldn't go back to Samantha because they already had my deposit, yada, yada. But I would have worked with them locally if I would have waited just, I think it was like a day later, she hit me up and was like, hey, I asked my dad, we could order the car for you, yada, yada. Bad news is, it's probably gonna be about anywhere from 6 to 10 weeks because everything's been backed up. The factory just opened 2 days ago. Obviously this video is way before they're about to open. I ordered my car on like May 9th. Today is the 11th. I will keep y'all updated on it. I'll keep checking on the status of it. I'm pretty sure it won't be here for a while, just because everybody else's order got pushed back and they got to finish those orders first, plus the new orders, and then maybe my order, because I just put my order in within this month. So I'll be getting mine pretty far out. I'm hoping I'll have a little bit of summer with it. I appreciate y'all for watching. All my new subscribers, man, I appreciate y'all. I know y'all probably joining in for the 200 content. The 200 is sold. I do not have it anymore, but stay tuned for the new vehicle that's coming in, because we're gonna have a lot of videos, a lot of mods, and we're gonna have more info on every other car that's coming out. I'm most definitely gonna be going to the drag strip once I get the car. We'll be out looking at races, all of that type of stuff. So, and as soon as dealers starting to open back up, you know, they want to have a more of a test drive type environment going back on, we'll start bringing some car reviews back to the channel. I gotta do that. That's the main thing I miss. I just haven't been able to do them ever since I stopped rocking with my one dealer. If y'all got any questions on the buying or ordering process, just hit me up. I ain't got no problem answering no questions. I even link y'all in with Craig with his phone number, so y'all could just ask him questions and whatever y'all need help with. So for the most part, ordering a brand new car from the factory was very easy, man. Very easy. It was, you know, it's straightforward. You go on the website, you pick everything that you want on it, you send the bill to him, he give you a price for it. He doesn't give you a monthly price for it as far as payments, but he gives you a full buying price or leasing price based on what you got, after discounts, yada yada. If there's lease incentives or any cash incentives at the time your car gets put in transport, that's different. Then he will give you that minus whatever. He'll give you the price minus any incentives or any lease credit at the time. So again, if you got any questions, man, just hit me up. I'll answer any questions I need. Do me a favor, just throw a like on this video, and y'all have a good rest of your day, man. I'm out, man. Peace.